Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Piranha Tooth Bar is probably one of the most transformative attachments you can get for your excavator or skid steer, significantly boosting your machine's ability to handle tough digging, grading, and demolition jobs. Its aggressive, sharp teeth effortlessly tear through compacted soil, rock, and other challenging materials, making short work of tasks that would otherwise take considerably longer and require more effort. This video will explore the Piranha Tooth Bar's features, benefits, and help you decide if it's the right investment for your needs. Number 5. HNL X156T Tiger Teeth. These robust teeth are designed for Hensley-style X156 skid steers and mini excavators, providing superior digging performance and value. Each tooth boasts a 5.90-inch length, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. They are built to withstand even the toughest jobs. This convenient 5-pack includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. No need to source parts separately. It delivers the best value versus performance an operator can expect. Get the most out of your equipment with these high-quality teeth. They are compatible with all existing Hensley-style 156 series teeth and adapters, making them a versatile choice for various applications. HNL Tooth Company has been a leader in digging tooth manufacturing since 1931. You're buying quality and experience. What we like. It boasts an impressive length and comes with 5 teeth for optimal performance. This is a great value for your money, making it perfect if you need a reliable and affordable option. If you're on a budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this is the one for you. What people say. Went through 3 sets before buying these. We're probably 5 to 10 times faster digging in rocky soil and held up well. They wear down eventually, but that's expected. They are the best rock teeth you'll ever use. My SK35 Cabelco digs through rocky ground much better with these teeth. Number 4. Heavy Hitch Bucket Tooth Bar. It's built with heavy-duty Pengo 230 shanks for lasting durability. The number of shanks varies depending on the bar's width, ensuring optimal performance for any job. Its replaceable and interchangeable teeth mean you only replace what's damaged, saving you money in the long run. This makes it a cost-effective solution for your needs. It fits cutting edges 1, 2 or less. Before ordering, measure your cutting edge height and bucket's inside width to ensure a proper fit. Manufactured in Minnesota, it's built to withstand even the toughest conditions. You can trust in its quality and resilience. It's designed for standard buckets with up to a 1-2 cutter bar. If you have questions about compatibility, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. Its heavy-duty design ensures durability, and the replaceable teeth mean you only replace what's needed, saving money in the long run. Made in the USA, it's built to withstand tough conditions. If you value quality, durability, and American-made products, this is your best bet. What people say. 5 minutes install. Super heavy-duty. I like the fact that I can replace the teeth as needed. After spending 550 hours with my Kubota 3130, I am fairly confident in its abilities. When a friend suggested this add-on, I was blown away. My ability to cut clay and break up hard-packed earth is astounding. What I was not expecting is how easy it is to pick up our things with the bucket. If you want to dig with your front-end loader, this is what you need. It is a clamp-on tooth bar that uses hex bolts for a perfectly tight fit. Be sure to use anti-seize on the bolt threads. Melting some wax into the hex ends will keep the dirt out so that removal is easier. Great product. Number 3. Swisher 16195 Scarifier Kit. Get ready to break through tough ground. This Scarifier Kit will help you easily penetrate compacted soil and other materials. Its rugged teeth are designed to handle tough jobs. They'll make quick work of breaking up compacted soil. It's made to fit perfectly with the Swisher 15714 dump bucket. Ensure you have the right bucket before purchasing. All the necessary hardware is included for a smooth and easy installation. No need to source extra parts. This kit includes everything you need to get started. Remember, the bucket and ATV are sold separately. With this kit, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. Upgrade your equipment today. What we like. It excels at penetrating compacted soil and features rugged teeth for efficient work. Designed for a specific Swisher dump bucket, it's a seamless fit for that model. If you own a Swisher 15714 dump bucket and need to tackle tough materials, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy install. The added bucket tooth really helps to dig in and break up soil. Works really well. Live near the Gulf, my land is all sand. This is perfect. Loads a huge wheelbarrow full on each load without much sweat and lots of fun. Once you get the hang of it, any loose dirt is fair game. But anything you can put in a wheelbarrow you can put in this, and dumping is easy. It has a rope that once in the highest position you can dump. I wrap it once around a bar on my front rack, and as I lower it, it dumps without a lot of strength. It will dig in sand or light grass in sand. These teeth are well made and they are custom made specifically for the Swisher bucket. They come with nuts and bolts for installation. Number 2. HNL 6737325TR3 Triple Tiger Teeth. These aren't your average bucket teeth. They're designed for superior wear and impact resistance, maximizing your digging power. The patented 3-tine centerline design allows for a reversible fit, extending their lifespan and saving you money. It fits all existing Bobcat-style teeth and adapters. You can easily reverse them for extended use. They're built to withstand tough, abrasive digging conditions. Experience less wear and tear, even in the toughest jobs. These teeth maximize your penetration in tough, abrasive digging conditions. Get the job done faster and more efficiently. They are compatible with most Bobcat mini excavators and skid steers. Easy to install and use. This 5-pack comes complete with 673-7326 Bobcat-style flex pins for a complete and easy installation. What we like. Its patented 3-tine design offers a reversible fit for extended use and superior resistance to wear and impact. It's designed to fit most Bobcat mini excavators and skid steers. If you need superior durability and a reversible design for maximum lifespan, this is the product for you. What people say. Works really well for the sandstone we have. They do wear out, but they get through it better than the stock Bobcat excavator teeth. Easy to swap and very aggressive on ice and snow. These things are aggressive. Much better than normal chisel teeth for hard ground or roots. Number 1. Heavy Hitch HD Bucket Tooth Bar. This Heavy Hitch product is made in the USA with American steel. You can trust in its quality and durability, built to last for years. It features heavy-duty Pengo 230 shanks for superior strength and performance. The number of shanks varies depending on the tooth bar's width. Wear and tear is no problem. Its teeth are replaceable, saving you money and reducing waste. Just replace the damaged teeth, not the whole bar. It's compatible with cutting edges from 5/8 to 3/4. This ensures it works with a wide range of subcompact tractors. The smooth design prevents mud and debris from clinging, keeping it efficient and easy to clean. It's designed for optimal performance. This Heavy Hitch Tooth Bar is a reliable and durable addition to your subcompact tractor. Invest in quality, invest in Heavy Hitch. What we like. This heavy-duty bar features replaceable teeth for cost-effectiveness and a smooth design to prevent debris buildup. It's designed for thicker cutting edges and is made in the USA. If you need a heavy-duty solution for thicker cutting edges and prioritize American-made quality, this is the perfect choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.